In this question, we will be solving for the concentration in molarity of barium hydroxide by the neutralization equation given here, which is 2HCl aqueous plus barium hydroxide will yield 2H2O liquid, and this is aqueous, and barium chloride aqueous. So this is already the balance equation. So first we need to solve for the mole of HCl that reacts here, where mole of HCl is equals to the molarity, 0.550 moles per liter, times the volume in liters that reacts, so times 45.33 ml. Converting this to liters is 1 liter per 1000 ml.